Driving to Yeovane Skywalk shuttle service area takes about 40 minutes from Betong town center. We're heading to Yeovane Skywalk at 8 a.m. on a misty Sunday morning. We are not keen to follow the crowd's rush at 5 a.m. and wish to avoid the 2 hours queuing at the viewing point. We are enjoying the colorful scenery along the mountainous winding road. After about 40 minutes of drive, we have finally arrived at the shuttle service pickup area. There are ample of free parking lots for private vehicles which are not allowed to go up the final narrow stretch of mountain road. There are many vendors selling the similar merchandise at this area. The pickup shuttle service up the Skywalk cost Thai baht 300 per pax, while returning trip will cost another Thai baht 200 per pax. The one-way journey up the steep mountain top takes about 3.5 minutes. It's compulsory to buy the disposable shoes covers for Thai baht 30 per pair, while the entrees ticket cost Thai baht 200 per pax. We headed straight to level 6, the highest viewing deck for a bird's eye view of the mountain ranges. Those who came to queue early in the morning will get to see the sunrise. However, for those unlucky ones might get to see nothing but the thick fog. Those lucky ones might still get to see the sea of clouds during the day. This glass skywalk bridge is located at level 3. With the length of 61 meter, it is claimed to be the longest skywalk bridge in Southeast Asia. This glass floor viewing platform appears to reach 100 meters above the ground.